You searched how to buy shares of Zinnwald Lithium Plc, a company developing lithium resources listed on the LSE PLC with ticker ZNWD.L. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ZNWD.L to locate Zinnwald Lithium Plc. Choose the result that matches the LSE listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company description and review the price chart to confirm you are on Zinnwald Lithium Plc's LSE listing. Verify basic company details and recent price movement before proceeding. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may queue until it opens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open the platform.